Okay, we're going to take a damp cloth and wipe the head all down to make sure we get all the sawdust off of it. I used my palm sander to give it another good sanding. But you want to wipe it down, make sure you get all your sawdust and anything off of it. And then I'm using some wood filler, and I add a little bit of water just to make it a little more pasty. And we're going to coat the mouth and the head completely, and then we'll sand it off, redo spots that need to be touched up, and then sand it off. And by that point, hopefully we're ready to start with our painting. But I put this on kind of thick. This is going to help to seal any scratches or anything like that that you've got. And if you want to smooth it out a little more, you can take a little water on there to smooth it. We just coat the entire head with it. This helps smooth everything out for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I would appreciate that. We'll do this, then I'll let it set up overnight, dry real good, and then I'll go and take it back to my shop and sand it all down. You see where we had these screws in here. I'll just fill that up with it. And that's one that, because it'll sink in, you'll need to redo it. By dipping your finger in water and smoothing it out, that helps a little bit too. So we'll continue on, cover the entire head, and then we'll be ready for our next step. Thanks for watching.